In today's video, I'm going to teach you manual backup using CSV files. This is a simple, dependable way to safeguard your store's information by exporting it from a few key areas. It's ideal for small stores or when you need a one-time backup before making changes. We'll walk through exporting products, orders, and customers, backing up your theme files, and then saving everything securely so it's easy to restore if you ever need it. Let's begin with your products. Open your store's admin, go to the Products section, and select Export. Choose the option to export all products to a CSV file and confirm. A CSV is a plain text spreadsheet, which means it opens easily in tools like Excel or Google Sheets and is widely compatible if you ever need to import the data back. This file captures key details such as titles, prices, SKUs, and inventory counts, making it your master snapshot of what you're selling. Next, move to your orders. Head to Orders, click Export, and save the CSV file. This gives you a record of your order history, including order numbers, dates, items purchased, and totals. It's handy for accounting, reporting, or troubleshooting if you ever need to reconcile activity after a change. Then, back up your customers. Go to the Customer section, select Export, and save the CSV file. This preserves your customer list, which can be crucial for communication and marketing. Handle this file carefully, since it can include personal details. Keeping it secure ensures you stay aligned with privacy best practices. Now let's secure your theme, which controls how your store looks and feels. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme, click the three dots, and choose Duplicate to create a copy right inside your store. This gives you a quick safety net you can switch to if you need to roll back. You can also click the three dots next to Customize and select Download Theme File to save a zip of the theme to your computer, which is great for offline archiving or sharing. Finally, store your backup safely. Place your CSV files and any downloaded theme zip file on an external hard drive or a trusted cloud service such as Google Drive. Creating a clearly labeled folder using today's date and a short description makes it easy to find the right files later. Keeping everything together reduces the chance of losing something important when you need it most. That's it. With these exports and theme copies saved securely, you have a clean, portable snapshot of your store you can rely on.